could set you free.
What's up, everybody? Welcome to another honest review video. Today we are going to talk about an exciting robot vacuum cleaner which pulls a double duty as a vacuum cleaner and as a mopper. Yeah, this eufy X10 Pro Omni can do two things at the same time. This is a two-in-one. As it can do vacuum cleaning and mopping at the same time, it saves a lot of time and adds a lot of convenience to life. As I have reviewed other eufy products before, I already know that their products are very premium and offers a very good performance, comes with very good value proposition. So when I have noticed eufy has released this eufy X10 Pro Omni, I wanted to get one for myself. I mean for us, for me and Tia, and we have got one. We have been using this for the past couple of weeks and we are super satisfied with the performance. eufy X10 Pro Omni is the world's first MopMaster with 8000 Pascal suction power, and I believe it is the best value robot vacuum cleaner under 1000 US dollars. eufy X10 Pro Omni is equipped with iPath laser navigation. It navigates with accuracy, avoiding obstacles and reaching a broader cleaning range. Of course, eufy X10 Pro Omni comes with an application, eufy Clean. Almost all the eufy vacuum cleaners uses the same eufy Clean application, and this one also supports voice control. So yeah, we can use Alexa or Google Assistant for voice controlled cleaning. Even before we start, I'm so very excited. Yeah, there are 5 iconic and premium features that I'm truly in love with. eufy X10 Pro Omni comes with 8000 Pascal suction power. It has this MopMaster 2.0 technology, and eufy has also added AI.See, a trademarked feature, into this eufy X10 Pro Omni. The fourth feature is actually a physical feature. It comes with the Omni Station, which does all the maintenance by itself automatically, like emptying, cleaning, drying, and refilling. And finally, this one maybe is the most important thing for me. eufy X10 Pro Omni comes with Pro-Detangle Comb, automatically detangles all the wrapped hairs. Well, we will go through the review and we will talk about these in details. But before that, one request: if you end up liking this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content. Okay, at the beginning, let's see what things we have got inside the box. As eufy X10 Pro Omni has 8000 Pascal intense suction, it effortlessly vacuums up pet hair and other debris hidden in carpets for a deeper clean. With this strong suction power, X10 Pro Omni can achieve an one-time cleaning rate of 98.5% with 20 grams mixed garbage on the light floor. Moreover, it can filter airborne particles of 0.3 micrometers and above. The 330 milliliter dustbin is equipped with a high efficiency air filter with a filtration efficiency of more than 95% for particles as small as 0.3 micrometers, including dust, pollen, mold, bacteria, and more. So yeah, eufy X10 Pro Omni is master of cleaning carpets and floors, and at the same time it helps to maintain fresh indoor air and prevents allergies by filtering bacteria and pollen without emitting them into indoor environment. eufy X10 Pro Omni is equipped with dual rotating mops, which does a very good edge-hugging deep mopping. Yeah, it can apply a downward pressure of 10 Newton at 180 RPM, which is approximately equivalent to the gravitational force of a 1 kilogram object. After the motor moves, the mop applies downward pressure, so eufy X10 Pro Omni has sufficient weight to exert pressure on the mop to clean stubborn stains with ease. As a carpet user, as I have different type of carpets in my home, I love the mop lifting feature. It can lift the mop up to 12 millimeter. So even if I have different type of carpets with different type of heights, Eufy X10 Pro Omni's mop doesn't mess with the carpets. Kudos to Eufy. Yeah, the mop doesn't mess with the carpet, but it definitely messes with stains and dirts. Eufy X10 Pro Omni features an 80 milliliter water tank, allowing the mop to maintain a consistently moist state while cleaning the floor, ensuring a continuous damp mopping experience. Especially, I like that this robot vacuum cleaner is equipped with a top sensor. The time of flight sensor along with wall sensor helps it to detect the wall, and when it travels alongside the wall, it makes periodic outward rotation to ensure the mop cleans along the wall. This is truly an amazing feature because my previous robot vacuum cleaners have failed to do something like this. The third feature that I want to talk about is AI.See System. Eufy has developed their own AI. This is a trademarked feature, AI.See System, which is actually a bundle of many features together. Like, it has obstacle avoidance algorithm from the self-driving car industry. It has a color RGB camera which captures surrounding images, and the AI algorithm does the object recognition in real time to identify and categorize objects. It marks the objects and performs outstanding obstacle avoidance. Look at this. Wow, cool. More importantly, Eufy always protects users' privacy. The RGB camera never uploads any images anywhere without the user's consent, and yeah, it has also obtained privacy and security certification from TÜV Rheinland in Germany. Well, I was worried about how would be the performance in darkness. You know what? Eufy has thought about all different type of scenarios and solved this darkness issue with LED fill lights. The light illuminates dark scenes in low light environments, which helps the RGB camera to capture images with details and clarity. And finally, that leads to obstacle avoidance even in darkness. Okay, do you know what's the most toughest part of maintaining a robot vacuum cleaner? Yeah, it's emptying the dustbin, and things gets even tougher when it gets down to cleaning the mops, drying the mops, putting them back, and then refilling the water tanks, cleaning the water tank, dirty water. And yeah, there are a lot of maintenance things involved maintaining a robot vacuum cleaner, which is a two-in-one vacuum cleaner and mopper. But with Eufy X10 Pro Omni, it's totally different. We don't need to worry about nothing. Eufy X10 Pro Omni comes with its own Omni Station, where it not only gets recharged but also goes through all the maintenances. Omni Station has a 3-liter water tank which can automatically refill the tank of the robot. We only need to refill the main tank of the station once in a week or so. Yeah, there is another tank which carries the dirty water. You can clearly see the differences. We just need to clean the dirty water tank when it's full. Yeah, it's the same maybe once in a week or so. The station also cleans the mopping pads with water and then uses 45 degrees Celsius heated air to dry it up. Oh yeah, there is a big 2.5-liter dust bag in the Omni Station. So the station sucks all the dust from the robot, and we don't even need to replace the dust bag of the station within 60 days. The 2.5-liter dust bag only needs to be replaced every 60 days or so. Finally, Eufy X10 Pro Omni comes with another great feature, Pro-Detangle Comb. If you're subscribed to this channel for a long time now, then you may already know that I have a girlfriend here. Yeah, I love her for sure, but truly, I don't like her hair mess here and there. In particular, I really hate to unwrap the tangled hairs from a robot vacuum cleaner. That makes me feel so crazy. But one more time, things has got changed. Now I don't need to do any cleaning of tangled hairs, as Eufy X10 Pro Omni comes with Pro-Detangle Comb. Eufy X10 Pro Omni can flip down when the roller brush turns in reverse, effortlessly loosening the entangled hair with 97% efficiency. The brush roll comes with a small built-in comb that smoothly detangles hair and removes it every time it wraps around the brush roll. The V-shaped brush design gathers the loosened hair towards the middle of the brush roll, the closest to the suction part. When the robot vacuum finishes cleaning, the patented built-in combo flips down and the roller brush starts to roll in a reverse direction. that helps removing all the tangled hair. The specially designed roller brush and hair detangle mechanism ensures any wrapped hair will be detangled easily, and it will let the robot work as efficiently as a new robot. I don't want to turn this video into a tutorial video of how to use eufy X10 Pro Omni. But okay, let me quickly show you the user interface of the application. Inside the application, we not only can check the battery or charging status, we can do a lot of things. We can select smart mode. We can select between vacuum, mop, or both at the same time. There are 4 suction powers for a better vacuum cleaning and 3 water levels for a suitable mopping. We can even choose between normal or dense mopping. For edge cleaning, we have 2 different choices. Again, either we can go with normal or we can even select deep edge cleaning. We can preset a scheduled time to let the robot does the work automatically at the scheduled time, and that's actually what we do in our home. I love this carpet cleaning mode where the robot only does the vacuum, and as it has boost IQ. Whenever eufy X10 Pro Omni can sense that it's on a carpet, it increases suction power to clean the carpet with ease. There are a few options about the station like auto mop washing frequency, auto drying, drying duration, auto emptying, emptying frequency. There is a feature that I not only like, I'm in love with. Yeah, that's accessory services. The app shows the estimated replacement time in advance, so I don't need to worry about when do I need to change the filter or the dust bag or other accessories. Well, that's all about this eufy X10 Pro Omni, a 2-in-1 robot vacuum cleaner and mopper which I am in love with. No, not only me and Tia, we both like it, and yeah, every day it saves a lot of time and adds a lot of convenience to our life. If you are looking for a robot vacuum cleaner and mopper under 1000 US dollars, this eufy X10 Pro Omni is the best for you. I have left a link of this eufy X10 Pro Omni in the description box below. Go ahead, check the product. But before that, if you have enjoyed this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content.